Fix Home would like to send you critical alerts on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix Home would like to send you critical alerts, firstly, try to force quit the app along with all the apps running in the background. Force quit the apps by swiping up and exiting the app. Or if you have an iPhone with the Home button, then double click on the Home button and force quit the app. See if the alert is still showing. If yes, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General. Here, tap on iPhone Storage and scroll down and find the Home option there and tap on that. You will see the Offload App option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix bugs in the app. Do not worry because offloading the app will just delete the app but keep its documents and data. Doing this will free up storage used by the app and will fix the app further. Now go ahead and reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings, nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. If the app is still not fixed, force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Do not release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.